Hey guys, and welcome back to another kind of vloggy get ready with me video. Today I'm getting ready for a wedding. I can't even believe that. How exciting. Obviously it was a tiny wedding, and I feel very, very privileged to be invited because there's only about 25 people going due to the current circumstances, but some of Mike and I's best friends are getting married today and I could not be more excited. And the feedback from my previous like get ready with me vloggy style video was so good. I was like, I'm gonna do another one, it's gonna be so fun. So I'm excited to share with you all a little get ready with me. This is kind of a sneak peek. I'm also really excited this video is sponsored by FARFETCH. I have worked with FARFETCH quite a few times in the past and I love them. If you don't know who they are, it's basically a shopping site that collates amazing things from independent boutiques from all over the world. So if you're looking for something rare or sold out, like these earrings, I managed to find them on there and they were sold out on the brand website. I'd wanted them for ages. Then they are the best place to go. You can also get 10% off if you haven't shopped with FARFETCH before using my code, which I'll put on screen now. If you want to use that, there it is. And I'm really excited because they actually let me pick a dress for the wedding. So I've got 3 different options. I mean, spoiler alert which one I chose. I'm in love. But you can see the options that I tried on. And the other thing that I love about FARFETCH is that they have a positively conscious edit. So if you are actively trying to buy more sustainable brands and more sustainable choices of clothing, they make that really easy. They have like a whole edit of brands that are more sustainable, but also clothing items that have been made using more sustainable fabrics, which is fantastic. So if you want to see me get ready, without further ado, I'm gonna stop waffling. Let's do this. Let's rewind a little bit. Let's rewind.